In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a unique selling proposition for your business in minutes without having to spend hours on strategy meetings that go nowhere. I've got a free AI-powered template that does most of the hard work for you, and today, I'll walk you through how it works. You can grab the link to the Google Sheet template below, but stick around because I'll show you how the AI feature makes this super easy. Let's jump into the template. On the first tab, you'll see the USP framework. This is where you start. It breaks down the core elements of a unique selling proposition, guiding you through step by step on how to position yourself against competitors and really highlight what makes your product shine. Next, the blank unique selling proposition template is where you input your own data. You'll compare what you do best with what your competitors do and, most importantly, what your customers actually want. It's a quick and easy way to spot opportunities where you can outperform the competition. On the Unique Selling Proposition Example tab, I have given you a completed version for a SaaS company. Use this for inspiration if you get lost. Now, here's where the powerful AI machines help out. The AI-powered USP tab. This is where you really save time. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, the AI helps you generate a unique selling proposition statement based on the inputs you've provided. Just enter your name, URL, and your competitors, then your ideal customer, product category, and how many product features you want to compare. ChatGPT will instantly populate the template for you and write both USP statements. It's fast, efficient, and gives you a solid foundation to work from. Now you know how to create a unique selling proposition in just minutes by following the template's simple framework, using AI to generate your USP, and applying a real-life example to guide you. Go download the template now and start crafting a USP that sets your business apart. Subscribe to the channel to learn about more AI-powered templates that we use to run our sales and marketing teams. See you in the next video.